friends, it's me, Sarah, and this is Nacho. Today we're in London, England.
Sarah and Nacho, off we go. From Paris, lots of Tokyo.
This is Buckingham Palace. It belongs to the king. Look, the guards are marching. In English, we use the present continuous to describe actions which are happening now. The guards are marching. I'm taking a photo. Nacho's watching. The taxi is driving past. Nacho, you can't join the King's Guard. In England, people love humour. Comedy is part of the British culture.
Long live the king!
Nacho, that's not what I meant by British humour. London is full of famous icons. Red buses, the black taxis, and of course the red phone boxes.
Excuse me, please could you take my photo?
Yes, of course. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I am visiting London this week. Where are you from?
I'm from England, but I live in France. Are you enjoying your trip?
Yes, I am having a fantastic time seeing all the tourist attractions.
Look, Nacho is in the phone box. I think he's looking for a place to sleep. In England, the weather changes all the time. 1 minute it's sunny, and the next it's raining.
Typical British weather, eh?
Yes, in Paris we have storms. In Spain, where my mother lives, it's always sunny. And in Wales, when it snows, the farmers sometimes have to dig their sheep out of the snow. When you talk about the weather, you can say, it's raining, it's sunny, it's cold, it's windy, it's snowing. Let's practice together. We use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now. The guards are marching. The tourist is visiting London. Nacho is looking for a place to sleep. I am teaching English. Today we also learned how to talk about the weather. It's raining. It's sunny. It's snowing. It's cloudy. It's stormy. It's windy. Look, Nacho is sleeping. And I'm going to make a cup of tea. See you next time. We're off to Manchester for curry, football and music.
Wake up, the world is calling, come on, let's fly. Pack your dreams and grab your mug, you know why. Sarah's teaching words, Nacho's by her side. Every lesson's an adventure on this worldwide ride. Sarah and Nacho, off we go. From Paris, lots of Tokyo, we'll say ho. Sarah and Nacho, feel the tune. Learn across the world, we'll see you soon. Up on the train to London, catch that ride. Big Ben chimes and Nacho's eyes open wide. Then off to Rio, colours fill the air, dancing words and laughter follow everywhere. Sarah and Nacho, off we go, teaching English new and far we take it slow.